I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your BMW X5 hybrid at home. First, let's understand the two primary charging levels, Level 1 and Level 2. You'll need specific equipment for each, which we'll cover. Charging at home provides immense convenience, ensuring your vehicle is always ready. It also helps you save money on fuel and public charging costs, making your hybrid experience even better. Level 1 charging is the simplest option, using a standard 120-volt wall outlet, just like plugging in any appliance. While convenient, it's the slowest method, adding about 2 to 4 miles of range per hour. This means a full charge for your BMW X5 hybrid could take anywhere from 12 to 20 hours. It's best for overnight charging or when you don't need a quick turnaround. For faster charging, Level 2 is your best bet. This method utilizes a 240-volt outlet, much like what your clothes dryer uses. It significantly reduces charging time, providing 20 to 40 miles of range per hour. This means your BMW X5 hybrid can be fully charged in just 3 to 5 hours. Remember, professional installation of a dedicated circuit is usually necessary for safety and optimal performance. To optimize your home charging, consider utilizing off-peak electricity rates, which can significantly lower your costs. Many chargers and vehicles allow you to schedule charging times, ensuring you always charge when electricity is cheapest. Also, explore smart charging features that can integrate with your home energy management. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals to keep your ride fresh and clean. Happy charging!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.